In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're cleaning up your books, consolidating duplicate accounts, or just trying to streamline your financial management, merging accounts in QuickBooks Online can help you achieve a more organized and efficient accounting system. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, make sure you've navigated to QuickBooks Online, head over to the top right corner of the page and click on Sign In. It's the stepping stone to get into your financial world. Next, enter your email and password carefully. You know the usual drill, just make sure everything's typed in perfectly to prevent any login hiccups. Once you're all set, go ahead and click on that Sign In button again to access your account. Now that you've made it into QuickBooks, we need to focus on the settings. Accessing the settings is a straightforward step, but crucial for our task today. Navigate to the top right corner once again, click on the settings gear icon. From there, you'll want to locate and click on Chart of Accounts. This is the area where all your financial accounts live and where the magic will happen. With the Chart of Accounts open, it's time to find the account you wish to merge. Use the search function or browse the list until you locate the specific account. Be precise here, as choosing the correct account is critical in ensuring a smooth merging process. Once you've identified the account for merging, look for the drop down arrow next to the account, click on it, and then select Edit from the list of options that appear. This will open up the account details where you can make changes. Now comes the pivotal part. You have to change the name of the account to exactly match the name of the account with which you're merging it. Typing in the correct account name here is vital, since QuickBooks uses this exact match to identify the accounts for merging. Once everything's properly set, go ahead and click Save. QuickBooks will prompt you with a message confirming whether you want to merge these accounts. Confirm that indeed this is your intent by clicking on Yes, Merge Accounts. With this final step, your accounts will combine into one, with all the financial history neatly integrated, and there you have it, a simplified consolidated chart of accounts that enhances both transparency and efficiency in your business accounting. By following these steps, you've successfully cleared up potential confusion and streamlined your financial management process using QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more useful tips and tricks.